Sometimes a big change begins with something very small. Let's try something together. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a breath. Now gently bring a small, almost invisible smile to your face. Not a wide grin, just a soft micro smile, like the one that appears when you remember something good. Notice what changes in your face, in your breath, in your mood. This tiny shift in your muscles can send a powerful signal to your nervous system that you're safe, that it's okay to relax. Let yourself sit with this smile for a few breaths. You may feel more present or a bit lighter inside, and even if not right away, you've just planted a seed, a small signal of kindness toward yourself. This is BreathingWay. See you tomorrow.